Now here come the concentration of ore. First step which we are using, that is the concentration of ore. Here removal of the impurities such as the soil, sand, stone, silicates, whatever impurities are present in the ore, these need to be removed. And from mines ore is known as concentration of the ore. If we remove the impurities present in the ore in order to concentrate the ore, means to increase the percentage of the metal in the ore, that process is called concentration of the ore. Ores which are mined often contain many impurities. These impurities are called gangue. This is the technical term which is used as impurities. Gangue means impurities. First of all, concentration is done to remove the impurities from the ores. The concentration of ore is also known as enrichment of the ore, as I told in the previous slides. Process of concentration depends upon physical as well as chemical properties of the ore. Okay, and there are various methods which are used for the concentration. One is called gravity separation, another is electromagnetic separation, third is fourth flotation process. These are the some of the methods, those are applied for the enrichment of the metals. Okay, are some of the example of the processes which are applied for concentration of the ore. As I told you, one is gravitational separation or gravity separation, electromagnetic separation, and third is the fourth flotation separation. Okay, students. So these are the methods. Keep in the mind, these are the methods applied for the enrichment of the ore. Clear? Next come to the another process, roasting. What is roasting? What is the roasting? Roasting is the heating of the sulfide ore in the presence of excess amount of the oxygen which convert them into oxide is known as roasting. As it is clear from here, zinc carbonate is heated in the presence of excess amount of oxygen. Okay, then it will give the zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is the calcination. This is the calcination, and it is the roasting. It is the roasting here. Calcination is done in the presence of excess amount of the oxygen, that is the roasting, and calcination is done in the presence of limited supply of oxygen. That is why here supply of oxygen is not visible. Directly we are heating ZnCO3 heated in the presence of limited supply of oxygen, then it provides zinc oxide, and here it gives carbon dioxide. Clear, students? And here in the case of the roasting, sulfide ore are roasted in the presence of sufficient supply of the oxygen. 3 molecules of oxygen are used here for heating of the zinc sulfide. Then when it is heated, it gives the 2 molecules of zinc oxide and 2 molecules of sulfur dioxide. So here we have got the oxide. This oxide can be heated simply or in the presence of carbon, that is the reducing agent, and it will help us to get the metal which is required, and after that we can go for the refining. Is it clear? Now let us see next thing. Reduction. What is reduction? Here you see, heating of oxide of metal to turn them into metal is known as reduction. Okay? Okay, students? Here extraction of metal of least reactive metals, mercury and the copper, which belongs to the least reactivity series, often found in the form of their sulfide ore. That is called cinnabar. What is called? Cinnabar. Silver sulfide, HgS, it is known as cinnabar, is the ore of mercury, and copper glans. This is the cuprous sulfide. It is the ore of the copper metal from which we can get the copper metal. This is called copper glans. So extraction of the mercury metal cinnabar HgS is first heated in the air. This turns silver sulfide or mercury sulfide or cinnabar into HgO, mercury oxide. It is called mercury oxide by liberation of sulfur dioxide. Metal oxide, that is the mercuric oxide, so obtained is again heated strongly. This reduces the mercury oxide to the mercury metal. Okay, understand students? Mercury sulfide HGS plus, here what will be 3O2, 2HGS plus 3O2, it will give silver sulfide, sorry, HgO. What will be given? HgO plus 2SO2, 2SO2. So main purpose is getting the oxide of the metal, that mercury oxide we have obtained here. This, when it is heated in the presence of carbon, then it will give us mercury, or in the absence of carbon also it can be directly it can be heated, because this mercury is belonging to the category of the metal which is low reactive metal. For the low reactive metals, generally we need not to use the oxides. Okay.